All right, congratulations to Precious. Precious have gotten itself a tear-rubber car. Confirmed tear-rubber car. Now Precious get itself so fine, good car. And that's what it's supposed to be. I mean, the car when Untouchable give you, he just give you that car when no make sense. I don't understand. But now Precious have gotten herself a brand new car, confirmed new car. Congratulations once again. I wish you more of this. Your heart be clean, and that's what it's supposed to be. And as God did bless you, children, you will make a way where there is no way. So let's celebrate with Precious. I mean, Untouchable ex, Untouchable wife to be, I'll be Untouchable former. I don't know where I want to put them. Congratulations to you. Your new car have arrived. Let's join hands and celebrate this day. Meanwhile, we want you to still go back to Untouchable, which is very, very paramount. May go back to Untouchable. We'll see the outcome of the final decision. Because most of my fans support me, you go back. May they go sleep. At least maybe you'll see the outcome of this last going. Untouchable serious or not. Yeah, so that is one thing when I think I see clear on. So congratulations once again, Precious. We wish you a speed ride. Enjoy your car, enjoy your ride, and hey, so boy, money good though, money good. Untouchable, you say congratulate this girl, congratulate her. She don't try, you don't walk. You go so to me on you. You don't try you don't try, put more effort. You don't buy a new car. And God will continue to bless her, and God will continue to strengthen her, and God will continue to bless you more and more. Not only this car you go still buy more car. The house is you go get your own house. As the lady said, buy yourself took eye too, so make you buy me, celebrate yourself too for your hard work. You know, say Precious not the lazy girl, and very hardworking girl. He said, don't buy one small bike, take it for yourself. Let's use this opportunity to tell them congratulations once again. I wish you all this. No, we do it today.
You guys. You guys. You guys. You guys. You guys. You guys.